was in Rome last year with my daughter and father, and we had the most amazing lesson for my daughter, who had just picked up a camera but had a natural knack. And from the moment we met, we had a little bit of food and walked around the city. We saw hidden gems, neighborhoods, iconic landmarks, and the lesson for my daughter, Lena, was amazing. Taught her a lot of technical work with the camera without being too mundane, keeping it interesting, the appropriate amount of technical work, lots of hands-on instruction, unbelievably capturing photographs that I could never have done myself. She really was able to sharpen some skills that she had picked up earlier in the trip, and it was just wonderful. She walked away with beautiful photos and wonderful memories, and it was definitely an evening that we will all remember.